When you get into storage, and we talk about this all the time, you're going to get really excited about a self-storage deal. And you're going to be like, yes, it looks great on paper, all the things. And when I see someone that has super high excitement about a deal, I'm always like, okay, when excitement goes up, intelligence goes down. It's an inverse, right? And so it's like, I want that property. I want that property. But in the reality, does the numbers look good? And that's what we need to look at. It's this underwriting is just a very simple term for, putting numbers behind your business plan. So we have to peel back those layers to say, is this deal a good deal? And will it be a good deal in 3 to 5 years when you buy it? So buy it for $1 million, exit at 2.3, right? That's a great deal. And so when people get really excited, it's important to have someone in your corner, such as like a self-storage school mentor or coach, that will walk you through, hey, did you take a look at this? Did you take a look at this? And oh, hey, these are the 3 red flags. Does it still look good? And so a lot of people will come to our deal review days on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Fridays, and we'll actually underwrite these deals and walk them through these 5 different steps in the very beginning. And so it eventually clicks, but it's really crazy how someone will say, oh, I'm so excited about this deal. And in a matter of like 20 minutes, we'll actually point out some really important 3 red flags that can save them thousands to millions of dollars. And so when you say you want to buy a storage facility, you want to make sure that you're not only educated, but you're inserting yourself in the right community so that you can say yes to the good deals, and you're going to say 90% no to the bad deals, because these are the shiny objects over here that look good on paper, but aren't going to make you money in the long run. And so my dad always used to say, we just want to make money. He said JMM. And it's so true. I always say in my storage school, JMM, if it doesn't make money, let's not get super excited about it. Let's bring it back to where it needs to be. And that's what's important, to be surrounded by a community. So if you are interested in buying your first facility, make sure to check out the storage school. It's open right now for enrollment. So if you send me the word school, I'll send you an application and we'll jump on a call and we'll see if it's a good fit.